Oh, have I just scuffed that up? Whoops. Oh, I've just scuffed that up. I've just scuffed that up. I've just scuffed it up. Right. Hide. Hide this. Where's it gone? Customizations. No. Details, details, details. Unlisted. Done. Save. Oh no. I've made a boo-boo. Oh, there we go. Good. Right. Hi. Hang on.
You are in a pickle. Pickle Rick.
I did a dumb, Peter. Okay, I'm gonna have to go now. Goodbye. Hello and welcome on, Terve. Hello. So things are currently less than small man. Hello, beer goggler. How you doing, mate? It's good. It's good to see you here for the first time. Let me just increase that. Oops, wrong one. I am the small man. Hello. Okay, I just need to make sure 100% everything's going to be running like I need it to because I wasn't paying attention and selected the wrong option under OBS. So we have this now. I because I'm not like trying to take up the entire screen, so I'm just yeah. Anyway, hello. How you doing? Welcome to the first LinuxPanic livestream. No, you already had it. I gave it to you a while ago, Peter. So you already had it. Right. We want screen capture. Okay. And we want that one. We want that one. We want it like that. Okay. Ta-da! Yeah, howdy, howdy. So, everyone has requests. Why can I not minimize that without the dock I want the chat dock back. OBS. Give me the... Okay, no chat dock. Okay, OBS is being dumb. Okay, pop out chat, please. Thank you. No, that one... No, stop. One more thing. I just need to chuck that in. I will admit I'm very much backpedaling, so... Well, pedaling very, very aggressively without... where is it? I'm looking for something that I don't know where... Oh, there it is. Right. I selected the wrong thing. It is... Right. There we go. Everything's been placed in the description as needed. Okay. Howdy. I want that. No, give me that. There we go. I can now pin a message. Yes, I know. Thank you. Yeah, hey, Discord thing's correct. Right. Good. Okay, I'm happy with that. Show me the channel. So we will be installing Arch Linux, and we will be writing it. So let me just finish crying very, very aggressively, as I may or may not have made a small boo-boo. A small boo-boo. Okay, right. Okay, good. Right. We can now stop crying at the very small boo-boo that is just ever increasing in size. Right. Oh, where is my thing gone with all... Am I going to have to do this off memory? Am I going to have to install Arch Linux off memory? Oh, God. I am, aren't I? Oh, this is going to be fun. Alright, Virtual Machine Manager. The reason why I say that is because for some reason I think I closed my instructions out of Sublime, which means well, thank you very much for coming along. It is nice seeing you here, considering how much of a frequent commenter you are. So thank you very much for coming along, even just for the short amount of time you have done. And I can stop panicking now because I have my thing. Huzzah! Okay, I have my instructions. I can stop panicking so much. Oh God! Right, which now means I need to close Sublime, cry as I keep taking steps backward that I don't want to be taking because I now know it's here. Sublime. Sublime's closed. Okay. Come back, Sublime. Stop. Remove folder from project. There we go. There. Okay. Right. We will now actually be starting. I just kind of having a moment of panic. Remember, when you use Linux, don't panic. But I'm very much panicking. I do have Proxmox installed on my server, except my server's upstairs, currently turned off. So, not currently, but ooh. Sorry. Right. First things first, we want to choose an ISO. In this case, we're going to do browse local, desktop, ISO, Arch Linux. And we're going to give this one 8 gigs of RAM with 4 cores. The server is a noisy boy, as we've heard. We will do 50 gigabytes worth of storage because I have the capability for it, and we're going to do LinuxPanic stream Arch. Right, we want full screen. Arch Linux install. Hello to the 4 of you. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Okay, right. Just gotta wait for this to run through. But no, I might do a Proxmox thing. I don't know yet. I'm not too sure. So we will be installing Arch Linux using kernel 6.3.5. So we do the usual of ping the one bang, make sure we can get access to the internet, which we can, which is tasty, tasty, tasty. List the blocks off. So in this case, we have a virtual disk array of 50 gigabytes, a loop of 0, and a serial being the disk drive of 4 of 0, which is 790 megabytes. That's the ISO size. Right, CF disk. Now we have the option of GPT, DOS, SGI, or Sun System. In this case, we're just going to be using DOS because this disk is less than 2 terabytes, so DOS will be fine for our case. And the usual of, we want a primary of 128 megabytes, 128 meg, primary. That'll be the boot. Down here, yes, yes. And that's what we want. So now what we want to do is, that's boot, that's not. Write this, say yes, otherwise it's not going to write. Quit. Clear. It's block size. So what we have is the full, and thing. I need to check, has Stream Elements actually been connected into... Oh no. Has that not been... Has that not been linked in? Oh no. Oh dear. There we go. Sorry about that. I was just making sure it was running because I couldn't remember seeing it. Anyway. Right. We've listed our block size. So we've got all that sorted out. Now what we want to do is we want to make a file system. In this case, ext4 for mount and boot. So we want to make file system ext4 dev vda1 and dev vda2. That's what we want. Because it's Vert Manager. For some reason, Vert Manager shows it up as VDA, so it does it for everything Vert Manager. So for me, anyway. So I'm assuming that's what it is. Remember to hydrate. So now that we've done that, list our blocks again. Everything's still there. We want to mount dev vda2 to mnt. Make the directory mnt boot. We want to mount dev vda1 to mnt boot. Ooh, without doing that again, problem solved. It's probably because it's Proxmox SCSI. I like saying that word, SCSI. Anyway, VDA1 on boot, VDA2 on mount. That's what we want. So now here's the secret source that everybody who uses Arch says, that tries to pretend that doesn't exist when they're being Arch elitists. You know who you are. Packstrap. Everyone's favourite thing. So Packstrap, MNT, base development, devel, Linux firmware, Vim, Firefox. I'll take suggestions. What do you want me to install right this second? Because I'll install it whilst we're doing Packstrap. Right. Oh, I've noticed there's actually a bit of delay. There's a bit of delay. Why is that not surprising? Live messages. I don't want to deal with top chat stuff because there's nothing really there to look at. That's done, yeah. Oh, it's because I haven't turned on ultra low latency, that's why. Whoopsies. Edit, I should chuck this into live streams. No, that's correct. In the live streams on done, save. Right. So we'll just do this for now. Install all of that. And of course, we're going to cry. Because vim/cc/pacman pacman.conf, we forgot to enable parallel downloads. Trust me, you want parallel downloads. And give me that one, there we go. So parallel downloads. It is exactly what it says on the tin. And we will go for 25 downloads at the same time. Right, quit. That way, it downloads 25 things at once and we can see which one's the slowest. In this case, it appears to be firmware for Firefox. Which again, yeah, it is what it is. But it gets done significantly faster, and it's always nice watching this just go whee! Because 25 things at the same time. So in this case, the longest thing here is GCC, which is not really a surprise. It's GCC. Come on. I'm going to end up running out of that. It's a good thing I've got. There it is. I was wondering where my coffee's gone. Because I put it in my flask cup so it wouldn't get cold, and it's sat to the right of me. So I was just wondering, where's it gone? Found it. Anyway, I was just going to... Did that say whence? What? And again, not too long at all. I probably, if I had given this more than 4 cores, which it's probably a good thing I didn't, probably would have been faster, because I don't exactly want to cause my system, the host system, okay, the strained mess that is my computer going, as things die. We don't want that. So, just waiting for this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop taking your time. Yes, I know. That is just missing firmware for wireless devices. No to wireless. Yes, apps should most certainly introduce parallel downloads. But anyway, it took us a total of 1 minute 33 seconds. It took up 85% of the system resources, and done. What we now want to do is we want to do arch chroot, as Mr. Pytorus there, Mr. Vischer there is so greatly reminded us of all of. So chroot mnt. Uh-oh. No, that's fine. Right. We need to generate a file system tab first. I should have been very that was nearly bad. So gen fs tab u, so it does it by the UUID, meaning no issues ever again, into /mnt/etc/fs tab. No errors is good errors, so happy with that. Arch chroot /mnt/ space bin/bash bin bash. Hope if I could spell today. Holy hell. We're now in the chroot environment, which is good. So pacman-s. I have a spare Pi right here with an SD card for it, sat right next to it. Well, was right next to it. vim/uc/pacman.conf. Come down here. Insert 25. Control C. Right, quit. Get out of there. Right. Pacman-s network manager. So network manager and grub. And grub. Yes. I love how fast that is. Oh, it's lovely. Right. Now that we've done that, what we want to do is sudo systemctl enable network manager. Of course, we want to make sure it has the capital N and M, otherwise it's not going to work. That's now being done. We also want to install grub in the correct place. So grub install /dev/vda. I can now turn off my always on. Wait for it to finish wait for it to install. Again, no errors reported. Mucho gusta. And now we want to make the config for it. So grub, make config. Lowercase o, not capital O, boot. It would be interesting, but I've got no idea how Ansible works, and I could probably go to a Jeff Geerling thing to go find out. Boot, grub, and grub.cfg. Config. No errors is good errors. Very, very nice. And then we want to stick a password on it. So pass wd. In this case, I'm actually going to give it a strong password, because we're doing this live. We're giving it a strong password. Right. Now that we've done that, we've given it a password, we need to generate a locale for it. So in this case, vim/etc/locale.gen, and these are every single one of the locales available, and there's a lot of them. But the one I want is ENGB ISO 8859-1, that's Western Europe, -2 is Eastern Europe. And we want GB, so we will get the UTF-8 as well as the ISO standard. So that and that. The reason why I want GB instead of US is because English keyboard. Right, quit, leave that. And we want to generate the locale with locale gen. Again, 2 of them. That's now done. And we want to go vim/etc/locale.conf. Come here, insert, and we need to do lang equals en gb dot utf8. Do that, and vim/etc/host name, and this one we will give it something like, oh, I don't know, LinuxPanic. We'll just call it LinuxPanic Arch for the time being. Control C, right quit, get out of Dodge with that one. And of course we need to set the system time. So in this case, it is ln-sf user share zone Europe /London etc/local time. No errors is good errors. Now we want to exit. Unmount recursively that one. Yes. And keep typing unmount instead of umount. I should probably get better than that. Get better at that. And reboot. So give it a second. Have a quick hydration. Ow, my eyes. What do you mean network's been disconnected? No. Stop. Appears to be working fine. How? I don't like how it did that. Anyway, root. Bada bing, bada boom. If I have. Yeah, fuck. Oh no. Have I? Ha! We've got to do that again. I want to know why we've got to do it again. Is because I didn't give it the right password. For fuck's sake. Root is the correct one. Let's do it again. False off. Yes. No. There's an easier way around this. Let me show you. Because I've just remembered what I can do. So what we want to do is we want to come down here. We want to go to CD-ROM. Chuck the Arch ISO back in. Apply. Boot options. And we want to do apply. Reboot the virtual machine. and remount the ISO. Also, hello Forever Leveling. How you doing? Thank you very much for coming along. Because I can just remount in TrueRoot. Oh yeah, that too. Which is what I'm doing now. Right. Why you... I haven't touched the stream element. Oh, stream element. Stop being silly. Right. Arch. TrueRoot /mnt /space /bin bash. Oh yeah, that's right, because I haven't made it yet. Whoopsies. Mount / okay, that's right. Mount /dev /vd82 to mount, and then make directory mnt /boot. That's fine. And then mount /dev /vd82 vd1 to mnt /boot. And now, how you doing, Forever Leveling? Welcome along, first LinuxPanic livestream. There we go. There we go. Let's try to avoid that mistake in the future. Exit. Reboot. But that's how you could do it if you're not stupid like I am. Power off. Enable this. Chuck that there. Apply. Come down here. Restart. Here. Yeah. Oh, wrong one. Providing I've not fucked it up. Providing I've not fucked it up. What? Am I having a melt? I am apparently having a brain melt. And oh my god. Oh, I know why. Numpad was having hell with me. This is why, if you're ever using a virtual machine, use the number instead of the keyboard. No, I'm using 8859-1. ENGB 8859-1. And also UTF-8. But it's working now because I'm dumb. Yeah. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I panicked when using Linux. I shouldn't do that. I was using numpad instead of thing, and for... as you can see, it's doing that. That's what it was doing. Anyway, clear. Sudo pacman-s neofetch. Yes. Ta-da! Ta-da! Right. I have now got to remember how to do all of this. Oh god. Because I've not actually gone past this point for Arch Linux in like a very long time. Right, okay. First things first, we want sockless. And if I remember correctly, I actually have install instructions for this somewhere. Do I still have my... I still have my install instructions. I love that. Okay, good. Now, the reason why I keep my install instructions named easily is to prevent this, and also so I can go, hey, I actually have install instructions that function, which is very, very nice. Right, okay. Again, we're going to put that there. So, clear. Sudo pacman -s xorg server xorg xinit xorg xranda xorg xset root. And because I've already got Firefox installed, we don't want to install Firefox. Because my instructions have say, hey look, install Firefox with this. Anyway, I want to copy /etc /x11 xinit /x init rc to dot x init rc. What? Is it x and rx? Oh. Okay, so you're being dumb. Okay, I love this. This is fine. This is fine, I promise. Right. Copy x init rc to... Oh, hang on. So copy /etc x11 x init x init rc to x init rc. Thank you. Vim.xinit rc right down at the bottom. And if I remember correctly, it's removed the final 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! QA, because I didn't mean to do that. I just want to remove the final 5 lines. I like how I can do that. Insert and exec dwm. Yep, that's correct. Right, quit. Leave that. Clear this. Git clone https colons. Oh, hang on. Let's put this in a correct place, shall we? ls/li. cd./ once again. cd home. Okay, so actually in a proper place for this. No stupidity or anything like that. So git clone https colon / git.suckless.org/dwm pacman, because I forget, pacman -s git. Yes, I forget for some reason that it is not installed in the correct place. Right. Git clone. I don't know why Git's not installed as standard on Arch systems, because it is on a lot of others, so strange. And st. So cd dwm. Right. exec dwm. Numlock on. No. Root. Where's my DWM? Oh, am I being dumb? Don't answer that. Answer it, but still don't answer that. Oh God, am I being dumb? Yes, I am. Clearly, because this isn't working. I'll have a white wine spritzer. Ooh, where am I installing instructions for this? Okay, right. I'm gonna have to go off memory now. Okay, so cd dot dot cd home cd dwm. Oh, start x. Oh my fucking! Why did I forget that? Anyway, thank you, Peter. I forgot that. Right, Vin DWM. No, wrong one. Config.h. Right, there we go. Okay, so what we want is we want to do dumb stuff. So we've got the fonts as well as D menu and all that. So we'll just stick with the default for the time being. QA, clear, start X. Ta-da, DWM. Now, I've forgotten, Peter, how do I leave DWM? Control. Thank you. Oh, Lord. I've got to remember how to do this now. Oh, Lord. Bother. I've got to remember how to do this. How to... So Alt P is D menu, but I don't have that installed, so it's Alt Shift Q. At least it should be. And it's not closing, so... Oh Lord. Alt Shift Enter. I'm not getting a response from anything. This is... Oh, my eyes. Thanks. I don't want to install D menu just yet. Right. Shift, Alt, and Q. There we go. I should probably change that to something easier. Hello, British Git Guy. Welcome along. I have just been severely blinded by the Gen 2 forums, and now my eyes hurt. Oh God. Right. We're doing dumb stuff. We're attempting to rise this desktop. So, I want my dumb fonts. GitHub. Do I still have my fonts on my repositories? Because if I do, your repositories... No, we don't want MK Ultra. Where are my fonts at? DWM setup. Oh, the setup script's there. Fonts, there we go. good. Aldo the Apache. So cd/etc/fonts. Hey, that was correct. Right. So git clone https / github.com / maybe I could spell fonts. Tasty. Right. We have cd fonts. We want to do move Aldo the Apache down one. And so we are attempting to rice this desktop. So we're just getting the usual stuff installed, DWM, simple terminal, all that sort of stuff. Just getting it installed and running when I'm not doing dumb stuff. But just installing the font first. We want to do rm-r fonts cd cd cd.r/home/dwm. Want to do vim dwm.h config.h even. Whoopsies. Config.h. Oh, Jesus Christ. Config.h. There we go. Okay. And this is a completely clean install. Right. Now, because we are a partaker of fun, Aldo the Apache, right quit, make clean install. Right. So this is basically making it anime style, or attempting to. That's the attempt. Whether it's going to work or not. Ow, my eyes. I also don't have a terminal yet. What is it? It's Alt Shift Q. Shift Q. So cd into st or simple temp. Cd simple terminal. And we want to do cd st or vim st.h. And we have all our terminal stuff. I'll get there eventually. Oh god. Right. QA because I didn't change anything. Clear, and we want to do make clean install because otherwise it's not going to work. StartX. Terminal. Yes. No, that's the Gen 2 wiki that's in that. Not as bad now. And it doesn't have a dark mode. Oh god. Oh lord. Right, anyway, we've got the terminal, which now means we can do dumb shit like that. I need to figure out how to just close this. Ow. I don't want to quit DWM. I just want to Alt Shift C. Okay. So. Right. Neofetch. Ta-da. Okay. Right. We have this functioning, which is good. as we can see here, we should probably make some changes. So, xrandr. Let's get the full 1080p. So, this is a Virt Manager virtual machine. So it's as close to bare metal without it being bare metal. If I was running it on Proxmox, then it would be bare metal. Yes, I'm going to use xrandr. I've just got to remember how to do this now. Oh, xrandr set resolution. xrandr-s 20 by 1080. Huzzah! I will have to set that every single time. I wish to increase the resolution of the terminal, however, I can't just yet, but we have. Ta-da. Because it's with S, if I do this, I got to reset it every single time. Nice. But we have something doing. Right. So far, so good. Ow, my hip. Proxmox is basically the virtualization operating system of the world. It's basically it lets you run fuck tons of virtual machines as long as you've got the resources for it. That's basically Proxmox. It runs off the Debian base as well. Right. Let us. So, terminal font is Liberation Mono. So, let's change that. So, we want to do vim/st.h. I need to make that bigger because holy hell. What in the Jesus Christ? I can't see a bloody thing. That is so bloody small, what the hell? It works, it's just so small. Oh, I'm gonna sneak. Where's the terminal? Where? Sorry about that. Right. There's the glyphs. We don't want the glyphs. I just want the font. Okay. UI. Typing is very hard. Right. How the hell? ST font. Increase. Yes, I need a bigger font. What? Oh, there we go. That's better. Alright, panic over. That looks much better. So, first things first, let's change the terminal font. So, vim st.h. Now that I can actually see what I'm doing, it's not going to be anywhere near as hard. This is very nice. Define glyph. No arguments. Hang on. cd./dwm. We want vim config h. Right. Insert. Aldo the ACHE. Make clean install. Control Shift Q even. Help if I did that correctly. Start X. Still not out of the Apache. Oh well. Right. Do remember to subscribe. Yes. Right. Okay, so if I were to kill a window, we have this. We have our various environments. What are you buzzing me for? Right, so let's change NeoFetch. Now wait, so this is what our default NeoFetch looks like. This. Liberation Mono. I just saw that. Anyway, right. So, cd dot slash. We'll just cd all the way back down. Nope. cd slash utc slash NeoFetch, if I'm correct. Oh, ut. User. Okay, evidently not. That one. Oh, it's var. Actually, where the hell is the NeoFetch config? Oh, it's not config. No. Don't blind me, thank you. Oh, I can't join. I can't check that because I have Reddit articles behind that. Ow, my eyes. Reject all. Where is it? It's in, apparently it's in the ./config. Oh. Actually, yes, that's exactly the one I wanted. Good. Okay. Right, there we go. So, what we have here is we have config.conf. So, vim config.conf. Let's do some dumb stuff, shall we? So, insert, we want that, that, that. We want font, local IP, that, that. And now let's do some changing, shall we? Distro shorthand off, default off. OS Arch on. Yes. Uptime, yes. Memory percent off, memory units in MB. That's fine. Package manager, shell version, BIOS limit, speed shorthand. No, we'll leave that one. Brand, speed, cores, logic called CPU temp on, because I feel like that'd be a good thing to look at. On. CPU brand on. Again, on. GTK shorthand. IP addresses, leave that alone. We don't want to touch that now. Disk show. Subtitle, percent, song. We're not going to touch those. That's a lot of options. Song format, song shorthand, no. Colors, distro. Haha. Right. Now we're going to change this to make it look like my one. Terminal. So, cd.config, cd neofetch, vim config.conf. Roll right the way down because I like the way mine looks. Also, ASCII distro. ASCII colors. Right, where is it? Give me the one I'm looking for. Right, ASCII distro. Let's tell you what, let's go for... Tell you what, let's pick one out, shall we? Let's go for a stupid one. How about... just to annoy people... Mac. Oh. Mac and ASCII colors. So, ASCII colors. Distro. Hold on, where is it? Come on, give it back to me. ASCII, image backend, yeah, ASCII. There we go. So, we need to go all the way up to text colors. So, block width, block range, colors, that's text colors. Colors equals, because we like doing dumb stuff, 4, 1. I said, we'll try this again. 4, 1, 9, 7, 3, 5. So now if we do NeoFetch, ta-da! That looks exactly like my computer does, and this is guaranteed to annoy anyone who uses Arch. It's not a Macintosh system. Anyway, Macintosh system. Right, we have that. Right. Ta-da! Anyway, we've now added some extra stuff on. We've got the OS, hostname, kernel, which is that one. Packages, shell, resolution at 60 Hz, window manager DWM, themes, icons, terminal is ST, terminal font, liberation mono, locale, users root, IP local, that's expected. Crantel, GPU driver is VirtIO, which is expected, and somehow you're still only using 177 megabytes. I wonder why it annoys you, Peter. I admit that Apple, that Apple icon, that Mac icon, it's a good one. Or better yet, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Haha! Gotcha! There we go. Windows XP. It goes round and round and round and round and round and round and round. Anyway, Windows XP. So now we do oh, this is annoying. Ta-da! Anyway, so let's add in a background to this, shall we? So first things first, we want how to add desktop background to desktop wallpaper. There we go. Right. Third post. So what we want to do is we want to do sudo pacman-sf. Yes. And what we want to do is we want to grab my... Ooh, hello. How am I going to grab that? You know how I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to grab my OS 10. New post. It will be under my thumbnails folder. Where are you, OS 10? There we go. Upload complete. Grab link. Copy. Get shell. What the hell? Right. How do I... Right, anyway, so what we're going to do is want to do down one, make directory os10, os10 even, so cd os10. Want to do wget, open image in new tab, wget https://i.imgur.com/9uwefdn.png sudo pacman -s wget. Keep forgetting the most simplest of shit is not installed on Arch. Right, there we go. Got the thing. Right. Now we want to do move this to os10.png, and now we want to do feh-bg scale /home/os10. I can only hope I've done that correctly, because I have no idea how. Oh, so /os10.png. Right, now that's done. Transparent windows. So pacman-s transet df with xcomp mgr. Help if I could type correctly. Is that correct? It is. Okay, I don't know them. Ah. Okay, so sudo pacman-s transet df xcomp mgr. Tag on FM. Ta-da! OS 10. What I was trying to do is make the window transparent, which I could probably do in the config. So there we go. Jesus bloody Christ. Right. We want to do vim st.h. I could probably make this transparent, I think. So let's find out. How to make st transparent. I don't know how to make st transsexual. What are you getting at there, Google? Ah, that's it. Right, okay. It doesn't explain how to do it. It does not explain how to make that transparent. Okay, guess we're not making that transparent. Anyway. Or are we? Tell you what, no, let's actually take a proper look at this. Okay, so let's actually look at doing this properly, shall we? Diddly-dee. Right, yeah. In order to build ST, you need, yeah, we've got that. Installations. Edit the config.make to match your local setup. ST is installed, yeah. Okay, no, we're not doing that then. Right. Ta-da! But if we now do that, it doesn't persist. Why don't you persist? Oh, that's annoying. Expander -s 20 by 1080 needs to be a lowercase s, not uppercase s. Right. Why don't you persist when I say to? Ta-da! Right. Okay. So this is not your standard. It is DWM, which is very nice. So next thing we want to be doing is, I don't know. Let's try and figure out how to do. Anything else? We're not doing that because that's gonna be thing. Expand the startup script. That would be in. Yeah, I've now got to figure out how to do that because I've forgotten. So. Right. How my eyes. Right. Okay. Hang on. I'm being dumb. It's an XNRC. So. CD. I want to do vim.xinitrc. Insert. Do this. Now I want to do. How? FEH. Not there. Not there. FEH. BG scale. I want to do /home/oston/ostan.png. Right, quit. We want to do source./or xinitrc. And now. Okay. Why didn't you remember that? I didn't mean to do that. Oh god. Fun of not being able to remember how to do things. Ta-da. Okay, that's fine. You think? Right. Make. Oh, hang on. Add user. User add. There we go. User add. Nick. Diddly. And also to the pseudo group. User add Nick. Password Nick. M parameter, it's too late. And what to do? SU. Ah. Alright. User remove. Oh dear. I don't know how to remove the user. I forgot the parameter. Okay, so user del. Right. Help if I with the M switch for create home. There we go. User del, not you. Yeah, no. Right. Okay, so we want to do SWD for that. Huzzah! So if we now do switch user to Nick, huzzah! Okay. Right. This is fine because it means it's working, but that resolution's wrong. Right, so we want to add to the wheel group. So, how do I've got to remember how to do the wheel group now. I'm just going to consult the Oracle. Right. Sudo. What do you mean? Pacman-svi. There we go. Okay, right. So, insert. No, stop. Stop being dumb. I don't know what's going on. Help! I may have done a dumb. Oh no, it's stuck at. Oh, fuck. I appear to have done a dumb. Help! I think VI is having a moment. We're just gonna restart the virtual machine. Oh no. We'll do it the easy way. We'll just restart. Yeah, right. Right. There we go. Right, vim / sudoers. I knew I was forgetting something really fucking simple. insert. It wants to be Nick is yeah. All equals all. So if I'm now understanding that, it's su Nick. Huzzah, okay. No target specified for use. Yes, what are you? Right. Ah, Mason needs to update. But you know what else? We can now do StartX. There we go. Okay. So we want x randa -s 19. Why are you remembering every single command? X randa -s numpad 1920 by 1080. Where is it? Okay. Okay, what's going on? Ow, my eyes, once again. Fair BG scale /home /oston /os10.png. Ta-da! Right. Getting somewhere. Okay. CD home. Where? Oh my god. It's in config, isn't it? Actually, no. Where is XNRC? Vim tilde /x init rc. Wow. CD home. I've lost it. Yay. Where is it? CD. It's not an opt. Could be an ETC. It is not in ETC. Oh well, right. So we want perfect. Okay, what we want to do is do this. Right. Okay. So su nick. It'd be bash RC, wouldn't it? No, vim.bashrc. Right, so we want to go to ow my eyes. BG scale /home /oston /ostan.png. Then we want to right quit source.bashrc. Yes, it is. Where has my bashrc file gone? There we go. Source.bashrc. There we go. He's not wanting to do it for me today. Oh yeah, that's right. What am I doing? Or is it? Right, okay, good. So, oh, I know why. Because I'm dumb. Oh. And that's why. Go back. Fix my mistake. Control C, won't quit. Sudo pacman-ss sddm. Ta-da! Okay. Right, so if we now do this. I now have SDDM installed. Ooh, hang on. Firefox. Hey, oh, took me long enough to realize I had it installed. Oh my Jesus. Right. Oh my Jesus. Right. I'm just pouring my Coke in. Oh. I'm being a fancy pants. And having my Coke in a cup. Tastes better out of a cup. Right. So, if I remember correctly, we want to do cd/etc/system /system. Right, so you want me to create an exinit file. I have an xinit file there. So if we do vim.xinitrc, we have this here. Execute DWM with that. Huzzah. Right. And put it in the bin xrandom command here. Tell you what I'll do. I wonder if I can. SSH pi at because you know what I'll do? I'll just pull it off. I'll just pull it off of there. Exit su nick SSH pi out one. Bother, numpad back on. SSH pi at 192.168.168. Gonna sneeze again. Yes. It is that, don't worry about it. The cd slash etc slash system d slash system. We want to do vim slash mugabe or vim mugabe. I probably haven't actually. Now I'm thinking about it. Sudo systemctl enable stdm. Sudo systemctl stdm. I've probably done it dumb. We're about to find out if I'm about to have actions to my consequences. Let's. Shit. As it turns out, actions to my consequences. The reason why I was pulling up the Mugabe one is because I know it works. So, refer to something that works. Just like broadcasting the ping. Yeah, I ping the broadcast IP. Peter, ping the broadcast IP, mate. Oh, fuck. Reset. I did a whoopsies. Let's find out if I've absolutely balked it or not. Um. Uh. What the? I may have done a boo boo. I may have done a boo boo. I'm pressing enter, Peter, and it's not wanting to work. Oops. Also, that time zone's wrong. That time zone's wrong. It's also wow. I've just the amount of delay on this. Holy hell! Right. Ooh no. Alt Shift F3. Right. Okay. Alt Shift F3. Peter, buddy. Peter, buddy. Doesn't appear to be working, mate. I appear to have absolutely rogered it. Well, this is what we're going to call it because I absolutely destroyed this. Oopsies. So, this has been the first LinuxPanic stream. I'd like to thank you all very much for coming along. If you've enjoyed it, this is good. But I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell. Click the like button if you liked it. Dislike the video. Dislike the stream if you disliked it. Both of them work. You can only see one of them. Remember, when using Linux, don't panic. Oh.